Hi, this is Wazi with ComputerExpo.com. We're about to show you how to replace LCD panel for LG Vista VS880 D631. And here is we recently removed very slowly. Doesn't have any impact the front glass of that digitizer. However, if you peel it off, you should be able to see the back of these very clean and nice, and which is ultimately, this is what you're looking at it right here, clean. And then you take the brand new digitizer, which is we have ordered it online. You got this as a picture, and now this is actually right there showing, and you peel off that, of course, the digitizer behind that little tape, and then you install your cable, which is the flex cable, goes right here on that LG logo site, and right there your flex cable. As you put the flex cable, you put it back, and then you should be able to go ahead, once you sit it, put your battery right here just to test it, turn it on, and now we should be able to see it's coming on. Just go ahead, turn it on. There you go. So basically, don't sweat yourself to get this LCD, the glass out of this. It comes off. If you can slowly remove around it with a heat gun, just take the heater and slowly you can take the top digitizer portion off. That in the back is very smooth, and then you should be able to you take the replacement unit and put it in, and this is the outcome right here. If you want to visit our website, www.computerexpo.com. Thank you.